If your A.O. Smith tankless water heater stays in standby mode, it usually means the unit is not detecting a demand for hot water, or there's a minor system issue preventing activation. Start by checking the basics first. Make sure the heater has proper power and the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Look at the display panel for any error codes, because these messages often point directly to the problem. You can also try resetting the unit by pressing and holding the reset button for about 10 seconds, which often clears temporary glitches and restores normal operation. If the problem continues, low water flow is one of the most common causes since the heater won't activate without enough flow passing through the sensors. Mineral or scale buildup inside the system can also block sensors and heating components over time. Performing a system flush helps remove deposits and improves performance. In some cases, clicking sounds or delayed startup may indicate reverse water flow, which can be fixed by installing a check valve. Regular maintenance and proper flow settings are important to keep the heater switching correctly between standby and heating mode. If none of these fixes work, contacting A.O. Smith support or a licensed technician is the safest next step.